hesitate to like our videos if you enjoy them and if you are new to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell icon notification so you don't miss any of our next videos updates. Let's start. iPad Air 5 2022. Everything you need to know. Apple's 5th generation iPad Air may look the same on the surface, but it hides a powerful secret inside. At the March 2022 event, Apple unveiled the 5th generation iPad Air alongside the new iPhone SE. It boasts a remarkable performance improvement compared to its predecessor. In addition to offering 5G connectivity and improved USB-C transfer speeds, the new iPad Air features the same Apple M1 chipset as the company's premier iPad Pro line, all without price increases. Here's everything you need to know about the new iPad Air before pre-ordering this Friday. When will the new iPad Air be released? Apple was rumored to have announced the new iPad Air at an event in March 2022. The company has confirmed that the 5th generation tablet will be available for pre-order on Friday, March 11th, and will be fully released on March 18th, a week later. If you can't wait anymore, check out our best iPad recommendations currently available. How much will the new iPad Air cost? The iPad Air saw a noticeable price increase of $100 from a starting price of $479 to $579 when the redesigned model went on sale in October 2020. Here's how much the iPad Air 5 range will cost at release. iPad Air 64GB Wi-Fi £569 $599. iPad Air 256GB Wi-Fi £719 $749. iPad Air 64GB Wi-Fi and cellular £719 $749. iPad Air 256GB Wi-Fi and cellular $869 $899. What's new with the iPad Air 5? The iPad Air may not look very different from its predecessor, but this time it's much faster. A. New color options. With this dramatic redesign provided by the 4th generation iPad Air, the iPad Air looks much like its predecessor, with the same 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, Touch ID in the power button, and full screen. It's only natural to have it. It's a design, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. According to Apple, it's 3 times thinner and 4 times lighter than competing Windows laptops at similar prices. B. Upgraded chipset. As predicted by last-minute rumors prior to the March event, one of the iPad Air's headline upgrades this year is the chipset. Many expected the iPad Air to jump to the A15 Bionic chipset, which powers the iPhone 13, but instead has the same Apple M1 chipset as the top-line iPad Pro. C. Vivid connectivity. The iPad Air, like its predecessor, has moved to 5G connectivity. Selected cellular models, and of course, if you live in a location with 5G, download and upload speeds have improved significantly. D. Center stage camera tech. The new iPad Air also features the same enhanced 12MP ultra-wide front camera as the other iPad series, which also enables center stage camera technology. For those unfamiliar with this technology, it's basically using AI to track faces and bodies as they move in front of the iPad, and tasks such as making dinner while browsing app chats like FaceTime. This is not a new technology. Meta and Amazon use similar technology for smart displays, but it's good to see here. E. Improved USB-C connectivity. Not as exciting as the new M1 chipset, Apple has also improved the performance of this year's iPad Air's USB-C connector, doubling the data transfer speed ideal for transferring large video files and large photo libraries to and from tablets. Don't hesitate to like our videos if you enjoy them and if you are new to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell icon notification so you don't miss any of our next videos updates.